Struggling with working from home? Don't worry. Game Changers Hub is here to help you. Hello everyone, I'm Mounir, and this is the Game Changers Hub channel. The scenes you just saw were from my life when I first started working from home. I thought I could work from anywhere. I used to put my laptop on the dining table and work. It was comfortable at first, but after a while I started feeling back pain, severe distraction, and decreased productivity. I was always feeling stressed and exhausted. So I decided to design a workspace that inspires me and boosts my productivity. I got a comfortable chair, a suitable desk, good lighting, and paid attention to the decor. I added my personal touches to make the space inspiring, and the result was amazing. My productivity improved significantly, and I felt much more comfortable while working. I realized that designing an inspiring workspace is not a luxury, it's an investment in our health and productivity. That's why I decided to compile everything I learned while designing my workspace into the book, The Office of the Future. The book reveals the key secrets to designing an inspiring home workspace with a touch of AI, like choosing the right spot, how to select the ideal location that enhances your focus, comfortable and practical furniture, secrets to selecting furniture that ensures your comfort and helps you work effectively, lighting and decor, how to use lighting and decor to stimulate creativity and increase productivity, essential technology and tools, the tech tools you can't do without for an ideal workspace. Soundproofing, how to achieve a quiet, distraction-free work environment. Customizing your workspace, how to make your workspace reflect your personality and inspire you. Maintaining your workspace, how to keep your desk tidy and organized to ensure continued productivity. Additionally, there are 4 more books coming soon that will reveal the secrets of the most important fields for working from home, such as time management, skill development, and online self-marketing. The exciting part is that we'll discuss all these books in detail together in the Ask Mounir, AI Expert for Freelancing from Home program. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Mounir, an AI avatar designed specifically to help you achieve your dream of starting a work-from-home journey and excelling. I'll be providing content in both Arabic and English. In the Ask Mounir program, you'll find practical tips, innovative ideas, and comprehensive discussions about the books that reveal the secrets of working from home to help you achieve the success you dream of. Are you ready to be game changers? Click the subscribe button, activate the notification bell, and tell me in the comments what topics you'd like to know more about in the field of working from home so we can discuss them in the upcoming episodes. See you in the first episode of your program, Ask Mounir. Together, we'll change what can be achieved. Ready to start this journey to success with me? There's an awesome surprise waiting for you. My new booklet, Dose of Optimism, is my gift to you. All you have to do is sign up for our mailing list, and you'll get it instantly in your inbox. Make it your secret weapon for success every single day. It'll help you beat procrastination and start each day with positive energy. Imagine starting your day with a dose of optimism that makes you unstoppable. And that's not all. Want to take an even bigger step toward success? This is the Game Changers Partners Card, your gateway to success, and it's completely free for a limited time. Personal consultations to help you build a strong brand, exclusive ebooks that will save you years of learning, discounts on powerful tools, and most importantly, you'll be joining a community of game changers just like you who will support and encourage you on your journey. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. It's available for a limited time only, so don't miss out. Want to know how to sign up for the mailing list and get your Game Changers Partners Card? Here's how. First things first, let's get you signed up for our mailing list so you can get your hands on the Dose of Optimism ebook, absolutely free. All right, check this out. We're heading straight to our Facebook page using the link in the video description. See, it's that easy. The ebook's all yours. Congrats. Now get ready for the second awesome surprise, the Game Changers Partners card. This card unlocks exclusive perks you won't find anywhere else. But hold on, there's a catch, a good one, we promise. To get your hands on this card, you gotta be part of the crew. Make sure you've liked our Facebook page and subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to take a screenshot to upload to the form. And here's the key. When you get to the "How did you hear about us" section, make sure you select Intro Video. Trust me, you'll thank me later. This unlocks even more amazing perks in the card that no one else has access to. Congrats on becoming a Game Changers partner. You're one step closer to crushing it in the world of working from home. See? With a few simple steps, you can start a journey that will change your life for the better. Successful people are the ones who act fast when opportunity knocks. Join Game Changers Hub now and don't miss out. And tell me in the comments what excites you most about this offer. Let's change not just what's possible, but everything we dream of achieving. See you on the other side as a new game changer. And don't worry, we'll start with you step by step, from zero to hero. This could be the turning point in your career. Don't miss out.